and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the new, well, is it new? It's about a month old, newish cloud collection from XX Revolution. So this is the one I featured in my recent Revolution haul. So it's the Cloud palette, which is massive. Look at the size of that. It's like much bigger than my head. The Cloud highlighter in Haze. And the Cloud blush, cream blush and lip tint. So I'm going to try it on both, why not, in Soft Focus. I did swatch the palette, or I did some swatches in the haul, so I'll link that above if you want to look at what the swatches are like. But today I'm just going to be shoving it on my face. So I'll give you a quick look at what the colours are like in the pan. So that is the beautiful iridescent, cloudy, rainbowy, unicorny casing. And then these are all of the fantastic colours. There are plenty to choose from, and I love the way that they're all kind of grouped together. So yeah, let's see what it's like. So I've already got my foundation, my bronzer and my brows done, and I've primed my lids as well. So we're going to go in. I don't know what to do. I was thinking quite a colourful kind of a rainbow look. It is Pride Month as well, so that'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? Why not? Let's just go for it. Right, so in my crease, I think I'm going to do two colours. Right, I think I'm going to go in the inner part here with, I think I'm going to go in with this green actually. Oh, can you see that? This green on the inner half of my crease, and on the outer, I am going to go in with this one here in the middle, which is like the purpley shade.
Felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were...
They're lovely, really nice, lovely pigment, and they blend really well as well. I mean, I've barely blended that. I've just kind of blended them in together, but yeah, lovely. Do I take that higher? Yes. Is the answer.
Shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
So that is pretty cute. Yeah, nice. Right, so I think what I'm going to do, or try and do, is with this kind of bluey shade, I'm going to blend it out slightly using this minty blue. Where is it? That one, this minty blue shade, and then the purple, I'm going to do the same using this one here, so like a pastel purple.
No going back, no going back, there's no going back to your own life, not living in the past.
Yeah, that's nice. Right, okay, so... Right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that inner half of my crease, and then we'll do something. So I'm just going to go away and do that. So I've obviously done this one up to this point as well, and just cut that inner part of my crease. So on the outer corner, I'm going to go in with this kind of brighter pink just here.
I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So that's gone on really nicely as well. Do you know what? Right on this very outer corner, just here, I'm going to pop a bit of the dark purple, which is that one just there. So then I'm going to do my cut crease part now. So I'm going to go in with one that I've been eyeing up, and I did swatch this one in the haul as well, which is this stunning blue one just here.
Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors, they were wrong. It was way more than a dream.
Okay, I absolutely love that. I'm just loving how this is turning out. It's so cute. I think underneath I'm going to take this blue just here. Okay, so right on my very inner corners and just under my brow bone, I think I'm going to go in with this kind of champagne-y gold here. It's kind of like a highlighter shade.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the Disney.
Lovely. Right, okay, so I'm going to wax some lashes on and then we'll try out the lip cheek duo and the highlighter. Right, okay, so that's that done. So next I'm going to go in with the blush. I'll do the blush first and then we'll use it as a lip tint at the end as well. So we've got the frosted glass packaging. It's like this. So I think what I'm going to do is pop it on with my finger and then blend it out. That's actually quite cute. I quite like that. It blends out quite nicely as well. I put, obviously you would have seen, I put kind of 2 layers on. I like to take my blush up to my temples, so let's try it with the sponge actually in it. Yeah, I think that's actually really quite nice and it blends out lovely as well. Yeah, pretty. Right, so highlighter. So as I said, this is in the shade Haze. I'm guessing we're going to use this. It's kind of in the same way. It's kind of giving me more of a stripe. Let me try it with a little blender brush. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't think it's even picking it up. To be honest, it's probably more me than the product, because the product seems to be going on all right. I think it's a little bit too dark for me for a start. And I've never really been that good with liquid highlighters, and I suppose this is along the same kind of level. I mean, maybe once I've sprayed it down a bit, it might blend a bit more. But it is quite chunky. It's like, you see that? It's kind of like more big bits of glitter than like a sheen, which is what I'd normally go for. So we've got this lip tint as well, haven't we? So I think I'm just going to line my lips with a similar colour. I don't actually think this is going to be a similar colour, but it's fine. It's fine, we'll work with it. Right, so I've got a little lip brush here, so I'm going to use this. Do you know what? That is a really nice colour. It's actually gone quite a nice, I think it's kind of mixed in with the liner that I had on, but it's got a really nice nude shade. The only thing I will say is it's quite drying. So yeah, just be wary of that. It does dry down extremely matte, and I don't know if you can see here. Like it's gone really dry on like the inner part of my lips. But yeah, I'll probably pop some gloss over the top, to be honest. But yeah, pretty. I like the eyes. Right, so here is the finished look, and do you know what? These eyes, I am obsessed. I absolutely love the eyeshadow. I really do. The blusher and lip tint, I like that as well. I think the blusher went on really nice and it's really buildable. It's really creamy. You can see I've put a bit of gloss over the lips just because it was that little bit drying. The colour is actually really nice and it did blend with my lip liner beautifully, but it's just that little bit too drying for me. So I've just had to pop a bit of gloss over, but that's fine. But yeah, the eyeshadow palette though, I can't rave about that enough. I am just so happy with it. Really, really well worth the money. The eyeshadow palette was £28. I think I said 25 previously. But yeah, it's £28, which is on the pricey side for XX Revolution. But, you know, it's worth it. It really is. I love it so much. So here is what the eyes are looking like close up. Honestly, I've said it about 1,000 times. I love this look. I really do. It's so fun. I had loads of fun creating it. Yeah, that shimmer is absolutely stunning. But yeah, it's just a really fun look. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!